everyone. That have to watch this video if you were not at live class today, which was Tuesday, October 20th. So watch this video to make up for missing class. So the goal for today is I can write example sentences for our new vocab. We'll be learning 4 new words today, and then at the end of class, you'll be writing a sentence for each of those words. The agenda for today is we'll do our greeting. We'll introduce the new vocab or the new unit. We'll learn our 4 new vocab words. We'll make a word wall. We'll practice the words on Jamboard, and then we'll complete our exit ticket. So what do you think the word immigrant means? What does the word immigrant mean to you? What does it make you think of? What image comes in your mind? So we'll be starting a new unit that'll be focusing on immigration and personal storytelling. So we will be learning about immigration, adjectives, past tense verbs, and storytelling. At the end of the unit, you will write a story about you and your story for our summative test. So let's think about what you did yesterday. Yesterday in Schoology, you had to watch a video. What was that video about? What did you learn from that video? That video, it talked about migration, and it talked about why people migrate and some different reasons about why migration happens, and then why immigration and migration are important in the United States. And with that video, you then did a discussion post. If you did not do that yesterday, please go and do that. So we are going to be learning about, just like the video talked about the word migration, we're going to be learning about that. So today we're going to learn 4 new vocab words to really talk about and learn about what we're going to be studying. So we all know what we're talking about. So our first word is migration. Migration is the definition is moving from one place to another place to live there. So migration is really just focused on the word moving. People are moving. An example sentence is migration happens for many reasons. And migration is also a noun. I think this picture does a good job of showing how people can just move anywhere around the world, and that would be migration. Then we have another word, which is immigration, which is really similar to migration. So if I look at the word here, it's all in bigger font, the word migration and immigration are really similar. The only difference is this IM, because the word migration is inside of the word immigration. So immigration is a little bit different because migration is when people are moving. Immigration is when people are coming to another country to live there. So it's the act of immigrating. So people are coming. That is what immigration means. An example sentence is, immigration is very common in the United States. A lot of people come here to live here. Immigration is also a noun. Let's look at this picture. Here, I think this reminds me of the word immigration because we have the flag of the United States, and it looks like the plane and the people are coming to the door to enter into the United States. They're coming here. Another word we have is immigrate. Notice how all these words are really similar, yet they're a little bit different. So how is this word different from the other words? Well, immigrate means to come to another country to live there. Wait, isn't that the same definition as immigration? It is, but what's different? Well, immigration is a verb, immigration is a noun, while immigrate is a verb. So when we talked about how sentences have 2 parts to them, this would be the what's happening part. It's the action, it's what they're doing. They're immigrating. They immigrated. He immigrates. It's our verb. An example sentence is, many people immigrate to the United States every year. So many people come to the United States many years. And our last word is immigrant. An immigrant is a person who comes to another country to live there. So now we're focusing on the person. This is an individual who comes to that country to live there. So an example is Maria is an immigrant. She came to the United States last year. An immigrant is a noun. This picture, I think, does a good job of reminding us that immigrant is a person because of all the people in the picture. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a word wall, which will be your assignment for today. So this video here is in Schoology. Please go and watch the video to learn how to do the assignment today.
Hi guys,
And then once you're done with your word wall, we're going to practice those words in Jamboard. We are going to use the Jamboard to practice writing some sentences, practice using the definition, and using these words. So you guys are going to open the link to Jamboard. You're going to go through the slides and complete the activities. We're going to write. I want you guys to write your answers on a sticky note or in a text box, but make sure you're careful not to move or delete anyone else's work. And then the exit for ticket for today, this is your assignment. You're graded on this. You need to finish your word wall. So watch that video. Make sure your word wall has all the parts to it. Make sure you add the images and example sentences for each word. And then make sure that you share that with me to get your points for today. And that's it. That's what we're doing today. We will have live class tomorrow, so please be there to complete and be at live class. I'll see you guys then.